Fast-track your virtual agent development by building a virtual agent with Now Assist and activating Now Assist topics. This allows you to use a large language model, an LLM, to improve deflection rates and reduce development time. Let's build a virtual agent with Now Assist. First, we'll choose a chat or voice assistant. In this example, the wizard walks us through the chat assistant setup to configure information sources, branding, and chat experience. Be sure to select a display location. We need to select at least a display experience where we want our virtual agent displayed. This is how quickly we can get Now Assist up and running in Virtual Agent. Now you can author LLM-enabled topics in Virtual Agent Designer. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.